Hey, it's video time. Welcome to Tuesday, April 21st. It's a beautiful week, it's a beautiful day. It's starting to look like spring outside. So what I wanted to do is just kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be doing today. So number one, first of all, welcome. As always, my outline, you really can't see, but there it is. It's an outline. Keeps me organized. Do the same thing with your papers. All right, first thing I want to talk about is number one, Google Classroom. Google Classroom every day. Go ahead and make sure that you get onto Google Classroom every day. Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's going to have videos like this where you know what to do. You're going to find out what you've got to do, and you're going to do it. Then the next thing is make sure that you know how to do Teams. There's another video that'll follow these that's going to talk about how to get into Teams. So be sure you really kind of get that going. So get into Google Teams. This week also, today's lesson, number 2, we're going to do some more about the SCR. So you're going to watch a video both from me about the SCR and another video where you'll be doing a, what is that called? Oh yeah, Edpuzzle. So you'll be answering questions through that. And then you are going to have actual work to do. And tomorrow there will be an SCR prompt. And all you're going to have to do is, the continuation is, you're going to restate the prompt and state your claim. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing for today's lesson. I'm going to go ahead and get into the lesson, and then we'll have a good day. All right, you guys, take it easy. Bye. All right, so let's talk about this, the SCR. We've been talking a lot about the SCR and evidence. So I just wanted to give you a couple little reminders about the SCR and evidence. Remember that whenever you answer an SCR, the number one thing is you answer the prompt. So the way you do that, again, is by restating it. Restate the prompt. So if the prompt is asking you, for example, what type of character was Romeo in the play Romeo and Juliet, you would rewrite that as, instead of what type of character was he, you would put Romeo was, and then you're going to answer the type of was that he was, when he was, that he was. Got it? Good. All right. The next thing that you want to do is, after you've restated your prompt, this is the big key right here, evidence. And how do you drop evidence in? So what you're going to do is you're going to literally go into the text. You're going to find an example. You're going to find something in the text that's going to help answer what the question is. Okay? So you state, again, restate. This restatement right here becomes your claim. So the minute that you restate your, the prompt and give that answer, then that's what you wanted. That's where it's going to be your claim. Evidence. Evidence, again, straight from the book. So what you'll do is, when you write something about, say, Romeo was a very kind of change his mind kind of guy, and that's something that you would say. So the way your evidence is going to demonstrate how Romeo was changing his mind a lot. And so you'll find those texts, and then again, you'll say, one of the ways Romeo changed his mind a lot was when, and then you'll put the information from the play right in here. And remember, anytime that you're going to do that, you'll put, for example, he says, quote, "Oh, my love, blah, blah, blah," end quote. So don't forget to put the quotes in there. You got to, in order to do that. So that's pretty much the way you do the evidence. You just state how does this evidence, tell me, how does this evidence really support what I've set up here in the claim? And then, once you've done one, you always follow it with a second piece of evidence. So evidence number 2. So next week, you guys are going to be writing an SCR. This week, what we're going to do is we're just going to focus on restating the prompt and creating your claim, okay? So restating your prompt and then following it up with what your claim is. We'll talk more about that on Thursday, but we're going to have you work on that this week. And there you got it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Another quick video. In this video, I just want to really quick kind of give you a reminder on how to get to the team meeting. So during office hours, if you need help. Also, there's going to be times where I'm going to assign people to come see me about an SCR so we can do a feedback session and maybe like 2 people at the same time, 1 person. So I just want to get that set up for you. Here's how you do it. You simply go into Google Classroom. When you are in Google Classroom, you go to classwork. So you should probably, when you sign in, you'll be more like into something like this. And then you just select classwork. When you do classwork, then what you are going to do is, where is it? You come down to where it says 4th quarter. It says Mr. Lenoble's office hours. You select Mr. Lenoble's office hours. You click join the conversation. And then if you have Teams, you can open up, but you might not. So then you just do continue on this browser. And then it's going to take you to the meeting. And it's going to say meet now, Mr. Lenoble's office hours, and then join now. And when you join now, you'll see what you look like. You hit join now and you're in. Okay, so that's how to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to get to the Microsoft Teams meeting. And yeah, that's it. You're good to go. Now, it's trivia question time. What's the trivia this time of the video? Is it, who's that character in the background? Is it, what does that sign say back there? I think it's going to be this, Rio. Rio 2016. The first 2 people per class. It's not just the first one. First 2 people per class that can tell me what's significant about Rio in 2016. You are going to win 5 bonus points. Once again, what is significant about Rio 2016? All right, let me know. First person that shoots out Remind. And again, if you don't have Remind, there's 2 ways to do it. You can get an app on your phone, sign up, the code, and I can show you the code. Because if you come over here below office hours is codes, and then for your class, it'll have the Remind code there. So that's how you're going to do that. So once again, get the Remind app, or you can go straight on to remind.com, sign up the same way. All right, you guys, peace. We'll see you later.